present yesterday. Okay. For those who's present yesterday, maybe I will add a little bit of details of the workaholic. So hopefully you will gain more knowledge of it. Basically, the workaholic is for creating a neighborhood network. So basically a hotspot. The normal hotspot we use in the class in this building, the major difference is we add more distance into the equipment. So it's not only covering the building, but it's cover like 3-4 kilometers distances. So that's the major objective of the workaholic. So the equipment we use is similar with the normal hotspot. It has an access point at the base station, the normal hotspot access point. At the client side, we use USB Wi-Fi. So this is actually the trick. So we use the normal USB Wi-Fi. Normal USB Wi-Fi can reach only about 100 meters. So what we make a little bit difference here, we put this USB Wi-Fi into this kind of equipment. This we can see this as a tin can antenna, but it's made from PVC tubing. To make this PVC tubing, metal, we put aluminum foil in this PVC tubing, outside the PVC tubing as well as inside the PVC tubing. So the whole system becoming a tin can antenna. Okay. Now the dimension. The PVC tubing must be 3-inch tubing, and then the area with aluminum foil is 20 centimeters. Okay, so 3-inch, 20 centimeters, and we put the USB Wi-Fi in this hole. If you can see, we have a hole here close to the end of the tube. This is 5.3 centimeters. It's all calculated. 3-inch, 20 centimeter, 5.3 centimeter. And then we put this USB Wi-Fi inside here, okay? So it will go up, but my hand is too big. Okay, I cannot make it because my hand is too big. Sorry, it's too fat. Now, as you can see, we have an area without aluminum foil. Okay, we need this area. This is actually, this point is the focus of the walk. So the walk will be acting as a parabolic reflector. Okay, so this point, between the aluminum and non-aluminum area, this point is the focus of the walk. We need to calculate the focus of the walk. The focus of the walk is the square of the quadrat is what in English? Square. Sorry, I need to ask for the English word. So, square of the walk diameter divided by 16 of the walk depth. Okay. So if we see the walk like this, the focus of the walk is the square of the walk diameter divided by 16 of the walk depth. Okay, so we have all the dimension. Okay, and then what we do is very simple. So we have to put this here in the middle of the walk. Okay, and we have to aim the walk to the access point. So this is very sensitive antenna. If you miss the direction, you will lose the signal. This is very sensitive. I have tried and it's very sensitive. Just little bit shift, the signal is gone. Okay. So this make the it can go for long distance, but this is very sensitive antenna, and we can put everything on top of the tower.
Sometimes we put it into plumbing pipe. That's it. At the other end is the normal access point base station, access point hotspot. Okay, but normally we replace the antenna using omnidirectional antenna or flat panel antenna. So that's it. So this is how we make a neighborhood network. In terms of economic scale, what we normally do in Indonesia, in terms of economic, what we do is one person buy 24-hour internet access, say for $50, and he share it with the neighbor for $5, like 10 houses, so every house have to pay only $5. That's how we reduce the internet cost in Indonesia using this kind of equipment. So that's actually the actual solution we use in Indonesia. Now today, the installation rate is about 2,000 to 3,000 unit per month. So that's how how it will, how the working the process goes. The actual investment for this USB Wi-Fi is cost around $20. Okay, the rest cost will be around another $10. So the whole system is cost only $30. So that's why we can get very cheap internet access and everybody love it. So thank you very much. But if you want to read references, please go to the website wndw.net. Wireless Network for Developing World. wndw.net. It has an ebook on wireless network. Unfortunately, it don't have ebook on Walkbolic yet. Okay, but so I think that's my homework to write it in English because everything is Indonesian now. So thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice lunch. Thank you.